Creating effective color palettes for your design projects can greatly enhance the visual appeal and impact of your work. Here are some tips on how to create effective color palettes. 1. Understand color theory. Familiarize yourself with the basics of color theory, such as the color wheel, primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, complementary colors, analogous colors, and color harmonies. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions when selecting colors for your palette. 2. Start with a base color. Begin by selecting a base color that represents the mood or message you want to convey. This color will serve as the foundation for your palette. 3. Use complementary colors. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel and create a vibrant contrast. Pairing complementary colors can add visual interest and make your design stand out. 4. Explore analogous colors. Analogous colors are adjacent to each other on the color wheel and create a harmonious and cohesive look. Using analogous colors can create a sense of unity and balance in your design. 5. Consider color psychology. Different colors evoke different emotions and have psychological effects on viewers. Research the meanings and associations of colors to ensure that your color palette aligns with the intended message or brand identity. 6. Limit your color choices. Too many colors in a palette can be overwhelming and dilute the impact of your design. Aim for a balanced palette with a limited number of colors, usually 3 to 5, that work well together. 7. Use shades, tints, and tones. Experiment with variations of your chosen colors by adjusting their brightness, saturation, or darkness. This will add depth and dimension to your palette. 8. Test for accessibility. Ensure that your color palette is accessible to all users, including those with visual impairments. Use tools like color contrast checkers to verify that there is enough contrast between text and background colors. 9. Seek inspiration. Look for inspiration in nature, art, fashion, or existing color palettes that resonate with your project. Websites like Pinterest or color palette generators can provide a wealth of ideas to spark your creativity. 10. Test and iterate. Test your color palette in different contexts and applications to see how it performs. Make adjustments if necessary to achieve the desired effect. Remember, creating an effective color palette is a subjective process, and what works for one project may not work for another. Trust your instincts and experiment until you find a palette that enhances your design and effectively communicates your message. We have design services such as illustration, AI artists, children's book illustration, portrait and caricatures, cartoons and comics, pattern design, tattoo design, storyboards, NFT art. There are many customers all over the world reviewed after receiving my products. Please read my reviews to know what other clients think of me. I am very confident in my ability to provide you more than 200% of the product value as which you pay to me. See the link below for more detail. Your satisfaction is my happiness.